Hello guys, welcome back again to Naturalgrowthsecret. How are you guys doing? If this is your first time here, consider clicking on that red subscribe button. It is free. Click on the red subscribe button to subscribe to be a part of this family. Today's video, I am going to be sharing you guys this amazing herbal blend. We are going to be making it together. I am making a very big batch of my hair growth oil, and also guys, I am making a herbal blend. I am going to be at the end of this video, I am going to be doing a giveaway. I am going to be giving one herbal hair growth oil that is fully made, and also I'm going to be doing a giveaway for one herbal blend that is not infused. So in case you don't know, I have a hair growth oil available for sale now, and also a herbal blend that is not infused, contains with a lot of herbs that you can go ahead to infuse yourself instead of buying your herbs one after the other. I have combined a lot of different herbs that I know that is very, very good, and it is formulated and measured properly. So guys, to make this herbal growth oil or herbal blend, I have a lot of different quality herbs here, such as clove, rosemary, fenugreek seed, black seed, lavender, thyme, chamomile, a lot of herbs. Please check the description box for more details of herbs that I will be listing there, and also I have listed carrier oils and different oils that you can use to infuse, and the one that I use in this video will be available inside the description box. And also watch the video to the end. Please like this video, share this video, and subscribe if you have not yet subscribed to this channel. So I am going to be pouring each and every herbs into my jar here. I already washed and sanitized every of the jars and equipment that I will be using for this process, because this large batch that I am making, I am doing a giveaway for some people, and also I am going to be selling part of it. So if you want to purchase a hair growth oil, herbal hair growth oil, which has different herbs and oils to promote hair growth, please send me a DM or chat me up on WhatsApp. I will be very much happy to sell for you. And if you are the winner of this giveaway today, please message me, and you will receive your hair growth oil. Or if you are the person that will win the herbal blend, you will receive your herbal blend. Just pay for shipping and I will gift this to you. And to win this giveaway, all you have to do is to follow me on Instagram. You have to be a subscriber of this channel, and also follow me on Instagram, follow me on Facebook, and also you have to chat me up on WhatsApp. Okay guys, or send me a DM. Like I said, I repeat myself, you have to be a subscriber of this channel. You have to follow me on Instagram, and also follow our page on Facebook. Okay, all of the link will be available on my about section and also on my description section. Okay, and when you are done following me up, then reply done. Okay, and then I will choose out of the comment, and also let me know what your problem of hair issue is, or if you just want a healthy hair, you're already growing your hair, let me know in the comment section, and then I will pick a winner and send you your product for free. All you have to do, remember, is to pay for shipping, and I will send it to you. So as you can see, this is the herbal blend that we have just made. This is how it will be like if you're purchasing it from me. It will come in this jar. All you have to do is to pour in your oil and infuse yourself. Okay, and if you want to this is how I am making it, guys. I have blended. I make sure that everything is properly mixed. In here contains lavender, it has clove, it has peppermint, it has rosemary, and the herbs is properly dried, and I use quality herbs. I purchase these herbs myself in different shops here where I live, and I have used it. They are of good quality, guys. So I am going to be pouring stain in my oil. You can use any oil of your choice. So guys, check the description box, because in the description box I have give you a list of different oils that you can use in infusing your herbal blend, because it is not all oil that is good for infusion. So you can use olive oil, you can use coconut oil, you can use mustard seed oil, you can use argan oil, you can use jojoba oil, you can use macadamia oil, you can use neem oil. And after everything, you have to now add in vitamin E oil, not just any vitamin E oil. You have to add in pure vitamin E oil or tocopherol. Okay, so guys, you guys will see the finished process. I'm going to be also showing you guys how I strain this and prepare some orders for a client who bought about 7 containers of our herbal oil for resale. So if you are a reseller, you can purchase our oil. Just tell me how you need it and we'll make it for you. We resell, we'll sell in wholesale, we also sell in retail, we also sell for if you want to brand it yourself or you want to carry our brand on our hair growth oil. You can make money from reselling this product or making one to start a business for yourself as well. So guys, try out our hair growth oil. It is infused with a lot of amazing benefits. Not just this one, it doesn't end here. Guys, keep on watching. I will show you guys how I properly add other ingredients to make it more nourishing, to make it more great. So I'm going to be covering this up. As you guys can see, I have added in everything in this oil. I have added a lot of herbs in this oil. As you guys can see, this is how you prepare your hair growth oil. So you can do the double boiler method, or I did the double boiler method for some few minutes to make it hot because we are in the cold weather, and then I left this for up to 2 months, guys. It has been infusing. You can infuse this for a month, 3 weeks, depending on your location. Depending, guys. I normally leave mine inside this jar. Anytime I have an order, I will strain. I don't just strain like that. It is infused properly. And anytime I have an order, I will just strain the amount that I want. So on this particular order, I want to strain the one that I want to strain according to my order, guys. I won't be straining all the herbs because the herbs contains a lot of amazing nutrients, so it is still infusing. As you can see, my herbs is properly infused. I will still keep it to infuse the more, so I just pour the quantity that I want for this particular order. So I am going to be making a 60 ml of about 7 containers, 60 ml 7 pieces for this particular amazing client. And I was so excited on this order, guys. I was so happy. So she wants to use it for herself and also resell. So this particular order, she told me what she wanted, the problem that she's having on her hair. So I formulated it according to her hair type and according to what she has complained for me. So after straining it, I'm going to be adding in some active ingredient, like proper ingredient that is known to calm the scalp, to suit a scalp, to protect our hair, to promote healthy hair growth. I'm going to be adding in my neem oil after this, guys. So after the infusion, like you guys are seeing now, I am adding other quality ingredients, great ingredients, like my macadamia oil. Guys, macadamia oil penetrates hair follicles. I am adding this macadamia oil because anybody that use this oil will benefit from macadamia oil, because macadamia oil is very good for all hair types. It penetrates hair follicles and repair hair damage. So I'm also going to be adding neem oil because neem oil is good for everyone. Neem oil is high in fatty acid. It helps in locking in moisture and promoting thick and rich hair follicles. And then I am going to be adding this vitamin E oil. This vitamin E oil that I am using is a pure form of vitamin E oil which has strong antioxidant properties in helping the oil to the shelf life of our oil to stay long. This vitamin E oil is very rich. Can you guys see? It is very, very rich and thick and raw with a great benefit to your scalp, to your hair, and also to the product, guys. So I love you all. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I also added in essential oils. I will not forget, my peppermint essential oils was added. I added thyme essential oil, guys. In case you don't know, guys, I love thyme a lot because it has antibacterial and microbial properties for your scalp, for your hair. If you're experiencing baldness, alopecia, you want to regrow your hair, you are experiencing hair loss, it helps to combat those things for you. I added oregano, I added peppermint, I added lavender, I also added in thyme essential oils, guys. So this was the containers. So I'm sending this this order gave me so much joy. End of this video. If you love and enjoy it, don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to stay blessed, don't forget to stay healthy, don't forget to stay good. I love you. Bye, and see you guys on my next one. Bye bye.